Okay, so this is my program video. Here's my control class, and this runs my main GUI and everything in my program. These two lines, they run everything. Now this is my main class. Here, I set all my variables that I'm going to use, all my string, all my array lists, and all my imports at the top. I go down here. This is my main method, and when this is run, this is my GUI, my content pane, everything, and it arranges everything where it is. And then I have my labels and what my labels say. Then we go down to my first event. My first event is a button which is found on the main screen, and when this button is pressed, action event E, the search button, it runs a method called getUserFile. This getUserFile method goes into whatever user file it's selected. It opens up a file chooser, so the person can choose a file, and all over the desktop. Once it's a text file, it reads it in and it puts it into an array list, and it splits it up by means of a split, which is when it goes through a text file and then the program sees, okay, there's a space now, so that's a new word, and it takes it as a new word. It then takes all these new words and then it converts them to a lowercase. So it's easier to compare, because we can compare words that are different cases, because it won't match up even if it's the same word. And it goes through and scans all the files. Then we go down and we do, oh no, it's hard to do this with one hand. Okay, then we go down to the next button. The next button is the language check, and this is what actually compares the language. And how we do this is, I have same place where the file is stored. I have these 3 text files. English, French and Spanish. Each one contains 100 of the most common words from each different language, all in lowercase. And when it runs these programs, it does each individual one. I'll show you now. Right, so for this one, it goes to my Spanish.txt file, has a buffer reader, and once the line is not null, keep going. Okay, so it converts everything to lowercase again. Once again, it uses the split method to find words, and it creates a Spanish temp array. And this array will be used and compared to the array list of the words broken up from the user file, and you'll be compared to get the language. Now the language is found down here. Yeah, so there's it's basically the same for each one. Video's getting too long now. Right, so it's the same for each one. So I'll read through and compares each folder from each word from my array list to my temporary array of English, and a temporary array of French, and a temporary array of Spanish. And then if the word matches, then the counter. If one word's a match from each one, then the counter increases. And then it says if the counter is greater than 1, counter equals 1, 2 or 3, and that determines which language each one is into. 1 is equal to English, 2 is French, and 3 is Spanish. And then so it plays in a pop-up then, so it says, oh yeah, this is an English file, this is a French file, this is a Spanish file, and then if it can't find language, this language will not be found. Then the third button, what it does is it have a text area, and then it gives you a preview. So it prints out whatever text file you chose. It prints out a preview of that file on the GUI, and then that's pretty much my program. Then I'll show you the GUI. I'll run the GUI now. So I go up here and I press start. Here is my GUI. So I go search for my file, and I'll check what language this file is. I'll say check language. Okay, so this file is an English file. I'll say, okay, I'll search for another file. So I'll say, where's this file now? So I have a test file on my desktop, buried in here. Should have made it more convenient. So it's here. So we'll go test this file, open, and we'll do a preview one here. So preview. So it says, hi, this is my preview of a file. And that's what is in the user file. And that's my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.